Hello and good morning everyone. Welcome to DSS online classes. This is Roli ma'am here for science class, and today I am giving you a reading video of the topic fuel from chapter combustion and flame. Here we are. What is a fuel? Recall that the sources of heat energy for domestic and industrial purposes. So here is the chart, and types of fuels are given here. Solid fuel, coal is given here. You can add wood or charcoal, etc. Liquid fuel, kerosene oil is given here. You can add petrol or diesel. Gaseous fuel, natural gas is given here. You can add CNG or etc. So for domestic purpose, fuel which are used are mainly wood, charcoal, petrol, kerosene, etc. These substances are called fuel. A good fuel is one which is easily available, means easily available, not rarely. It should be easily available. It should be cheap, so it will in the reach of common public. It burns easily in air, means ignition temperature should not very high, and at a moderate rate, means it will give you heat energy for a longer time duration. It produces a large amount of heat. Yes, it should produce a very good amount of heat by which we can perform our various routine works. It does not leave behind any undesirable substance, means it should not leave any carbon residue which is harmful for us. There is probably no fuel that could be considered as ideal fuel, means no fuel completes all the requirements of the ideal fuel. We should look for a fuel which fulfills most of the requirements for a particular use. Fuels differ in their cost. Some are very costly and some are cheap. Some fuel are cheaper than others. Make a list of fuels familiar to you. Group them as solid, liquid and gas fuel as in table 6.3. We already did it, and we mentioned various names of fuels which can be classified as solid, liquid and gaseous fuels. Now, fuel efficiency. What is this? Suppose you were asked to boil a given quantity of water using cow dung, coal and LPG as fuel. So which fuel would you prefer? You will prefer naturally LPG because it is easy to handle, safe to use. It will not leave any carbon residue which is harmful for your health and your surrounding also, and it will give a good amount of heat. So these are the reasons for using LPG. You may take help of your parents. Do these three fuels produce same amount of heat? No, they will not produce same amount of heat. LPG will give a larger amount of heat. The amount of heat produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of fuel is called calorific value. The calorific value of fuel is expressed in unit called kilojoule per kg. So amount of heat produced upon amount of fuel used is equal to calorific value. Calorific value of some fuels are given in table 6.4. So let's watch that. So table 6.4 is here, in which calorific value of different fuels are given. At first, cow dung cake, which was used earlier for making food, cooking food. It is 6000 kg per kg to 8000 kilojoule per kg. Wood 17,000 to 22,000, and coal 25,000 to 33,000. Petrol, kerosene and diesel have the same calorific value. It is 45,000 kilojoule per kg. Methane 50,000 kilojoule per kg. CNG 50,000 per kg. LPG 55,000 per kg. Biogas 35,000 to 40,000 per kg. And maximum is of hydrogen, which is 1,50,000 per kg. So So hydrogen has the highest calorific value. Why we are not using hydrogen as domestic fuel? Because it is not safe to handle, and accidents may occur, so it is avoided as domestic fuel. We use LPG as domestic fuel, which is safe for us. So this was all about calorific value. You should learn the formula and unit of the calorific value, because it is also used for solving your numerical problems. I will give you that. I hope you understand the terms related with the fuel efficiency or calorific value. Please, if you have any doubt, please ask your questions. Thank you.